Hello guys, and welcome to the first version of this tutorial where I'm going to explain to you how environmental pollution contribute to climate change. So firstly, we have to know what is environmental pollution, and we have to know what is climate change, and we now learn how we are going to connect them to one another. So that is something very important that you have to understand before you can go. If you don't understand what is air pollution, you have to go and make research on that. Water pollution. Air pollution is duk wani abu da zai kawo zai polluting environment in the air, whether smoke, whether gas, whether industrial emission. Industrial emission shine wannan ƙuran da yake fitowa daga industries. Do you understand? Water pollution kuma anything that will contaminate the water by chemicals, waste, ko kuma oil spill. Oil spill shine zubar da man companies, man injina akan ruwa, shi ma yana causing climate change. Land pollution kamar yadda soil ake contaminating, ko a zubar da datti, ko a zubar da abu matattu or something. So you have to understand what is pollution, what is climate changes, and how does climate changes contribute to, how does pollution contribute to climate changes. So akwai wani abu that I'm going to explain, which is the greenhouse gases. Before going that, let me just read. So environmental pollution refers to the introduction of harmful substances. Can introduce something that is harmful, something that is dangerous, material or energy onto the environment in the way that causes damages to human health. Yana damaging human health, one, plants, animal, and natural system. Do you understand? So anything that you introduce that causes harm to human, plant, animals, and natural system, then is pollution. Pollution occurs when the environment can no longer absorb or neutralize harmful substance safely. Akwai lokacin da idan ka wurgar da abu za ga normally earth din zai dauka, amma in ya zama it cannot absorb it anymore, then it is pollution because you are overdoing it. Do you understand? So environmental pollution can take different form, including air pollution, mun san wannan, water pollution, land pollution. These are form of environmental pollution. So mun fahimci what is environmental pollution. Now let us understand what is climate change. Climate change yana nufin wannan canje-canjen da muke da shi in the weather pattern, alteration, the wind, yanayin ruwan saukan ruwa. Za ka ga wannan shekaran an yi ruwa da wuri, shekara na gaba an yi ruwa ba da wuri ba. Like now we are in the cold weather, like, amma kuma yau kun ji akwai ɗan zafi-zafi. Do you understand? Sai kuma ku ga gobe an yi sanyi. So this is climate change. Like babu consistency in the weather pattern. So climate change refers to the long-term changes in Earth average weather condition. Like the average weather condition is changing. This includes changes in temperature, the one that is currently occurring, rainfall pattern. Za ku ga ruwa yau ya sauko, gobe kuma sai ku ga yanayin ruwan pattern din shi. The rain will just come unexpectedly. Wind system, wind thing is blowing too much. Like the wind is blowing too much. Sea level, like abin da yasa ake kawo more than ake samun yawan flood shine the level of the sea is getting high. Why? Because there is no sea forest, individual forest trees that will soak those things, and the frequency of extreme weather events. There are so many weather events that occurs. Zafi, rana, sanyi, sai ku ga yana zuwa ko da yaushe anyhow. This is due to climate changes. Absolutely, activities din mutane suke sa wayannan abu suka zama they are not consistent. Now the world is changing. Let me even tell you something. This is so dangerous. This is so dangerous because it's endangering our life. See, the level of climate changes yayi changing with 350% over the past 50 years. 350% yayi changing, yayi increasing. It has increased to 250%. Let's say if the level of climate changes was 10,000, this 10,000 has increased to 350%. So we don't know what's going to happen. That's why we are having so many sickness, so many changes, so many weather pattern. Ka ga nan an yi earthquake, ka ga nan an yi rashin ruwa, ka ga nan ƙasa ta dare, or so many things that we are having. So climate changes is something that see no border. Babu wani maganan border. It happens anywhere, everywhere. Because there is no border in the air and there is no border in the water. An ka ce akwai a earth, but it still causes climate changes. So climate changes is mainly caused by continuous build up of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which trap heat and disturb the natural balance of the earth climate system. So wannan greenhouse din nan, please people, you have to understand this greenhouse. Idan ba ku gane greenhouse ba, you will not understand anything akan environmental law. So I am going to try as much as I can